guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Center, and today we have a Galaxy S8. This S8 is badly broken due to a crash. The client brought this in and the screen is completely unusable. It's just glowing, so the backlight is still okay, but the LCD display is completely shattered. It's all glowing white with some cracks on the screen and some black lines. So we're going to replace this with a new screen. So a typical Galaxy flagship, although the Galaxy S8 is an old version of that, it is still having the same layout as its modern counterparts or its modern brothers like the S10. So we have the shroud and the one-piece motherboard design. Although compared to newer Galaxy flagships, the battery is positioned on the right side if you're looking from the back portion of the device. So the same principle is applied to this when disassembling. Be careful with the motherboard because some parts are slender and easy to break. And then you have to detach all the sensors, the camera, microphones, and what have you, including the battery and some vibration motors attached to the display. So when you change the Galaxy S8 display, you don't have to disassemble it. Once all the necessary electronics were detached, all you have to do is to get a new one. So we have here in stock the Galaxy S8 high quality display. This is a new one, and all we have to do is to attach all the electronics that we got from the old display, from the broken one, to this new one. So it's very easy to replace, although it's very expensive. If you want to buy this off of Amazon or eBay and you want to do it yourself, then you might just as well take a professional service like in Sydney CBD Repair Center. We offer you the best high quality replacement screens plus the testing and professional installation so that you won't be damaging this motherboard, because these electronics should not be handled with untrained hands. So with the battery, the proper procedure of extracting the battery is very important, since the Galaxy S8 has a very strong high-powered battery, and if you don't disconnect this properly or you puncture it, then you might end up with an explosion or a fire. So this is easy to look at when you just watching it on the video, but if you're trying it yourself, it may be intimidating to most people or to novice DIYers out there. So if you don't want to risk damaging some electronics at the back, which are more costly to replace than the display, then seek professional help. So we are just going to reassemble it together in order to test it. So a high quality flagship smartphone is really built well. This Galaxy S8 is no different from that. You can see a lot of screws, and the screen is really gorgeous once you replace it. So once we test that it is working and it's booting normally, we can test the touchscreen, the brightness, if it responds to the ambient light and its surroundings. We will test it so we can see that the touchscreen is responding. The camera, we're gonna test all of it so that you won't be needing to sacrifice the image quality because some dust got into the camera lens. So this is a fixed Galaxy S8. If you like this video, guys, you can like and subscribe. If you want to have your own Galaxy S8, iPhone, smartwatches, Samsung Gear smartwatches, if you want to have it repaired and you're sure that the only thing that's broken is the battery or the screen, we can replace it for you. So we're just going to reinstall the back plate of this and clean it up and final testing, and this is ready for delivery to the client. So just by replacing the screen, the phone immediately looks brand new again. So like and subscribe. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments. It's a great day here in Sydney. Till next time, guys. Cheers.